Once upon a time, there was a curious kitten named Whiskers who dreamed of riding a motorbike. Despite being small, Whiskers was determined to learn. With patience and practice, the kitten gradually mastered the basics. Whiskers' perseverance caught the attention of other animals, inspiring them to pursue their own dreams. The little kitten's journey taught everyone that with dedication and hard work, even the most challenging goals can be achieved. Whiskers' story reminded all that size doesn't matter when it comes to following your heart.